Hello and welcome to this mini guided practice for relieving your eyes of screen fatigue and healing them from the harmful effect of blue light screens. So here's what I'd like you to do just to start. Blink your eyes a few times. Maybe close your eyes, put your fingertips over your eyelids, greet your eyes. Take a deep breath, and let's begin the practice. I want you to take one of your thumbs and stick it out like a thumbs up. Extend your arm and bring your thumb right in front of your gaze. So your field of view should have your thumb right in the middle of it right now. I want you to focus your gaze on your thumb. Now focus your gaze on the farthest thing away from you, maybe the corner of the room you're in or the horizon or a skyline. Inhale, focus your gaze on your thumb. Exhale, focus your gaze far away. Inhale, focus on your thumb. Exhale, far away. One more time. Inhale, focus on your thumb. Exhale, far away. Very good. We're going to take that a step further. Put your thumb down. Now I want you to gently cross your eyes until you're looking at the tip of your nose. You're going to be seeing double, but that's okay. Just focus your soft gaze on the tip of your nose. Now gently exhale and look back at the horizon as far away from you as you can. Inhale, cross your eyes, look at the tip of your nose. Exhale, look far away from you. We're going to do this a few more times. Inhale, look to the tip of your nose. Exhale, look far away. Inhale, look to the tip of your nose. Exhale, look far away. Inhale, look to the tip of your nose. Exhale, look far away. One more time. Inhale, look to the tip of your nose, and exhale, look far away. Very, very good. At this point, you're probably going to feel all the muscles in your eyes working in a way that they don't usually. So now just close your eyes for a few breaths, just to rest them, and bring your awareness to the subtle sensations of these muscles in your eyes that you're probably not accustomed to feeling. We're going to take this a step further. Now open your eyes and bring your thumb back out in front of you at arm's length distance. Now I want you to not move your head at all for this next part. It's very important that your skull stays absolutely still as your eyes move around in their eyeballs. Now I want you to lift your thumb up, and without moving your head, move your eye gaze up until you can just see your eyebrows and your thumb, until you can't go any higher with your eye gaze. Now drop your thumb until it gets right to the floor, right to the lowest extremity of your vision. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, thumb goes up, follow the gaze without moving your head, all the way up to the top. Exhale, and your eyeballs come down in their sockets, looking as low as possible. Now move your thumb to your right side. Without moving your head, look all the way to the right. Now move your thumb to the left side. Look all the way to the left. Now let's go in some clockwise circles, like you're rolling your eyes. Inhale, look up. Look to the right. Exhale, look down. Look to the left. Inhale, look up and over to the right. Exhale, look down and to the left and back up. Let's switch directions. Inhale, look to the left and down. Inhale, look to the right and up. Exhale, look left and down. Inhale, look right and up. And now look ahead once again and close your eyes. Relax your eyes and feel the muscles that you just engaged. These are two very easy eye yoga techniques. First playing with focus, then playing with your periphery. And you can do this every time you feel your eyes hurting from screen fatigue. If you take a break from screens to do this every 20 minutes or so, just for 30 seconds or 1 minute, you will lower your risk of myopia and other eye complications. I hope you enjoyed this. I do lots of guided yoga practices and guided meditations, so feel free to check those out too. I love you dearly, and I'll see you next time.